Hi, this is Saurabh Nagda. I'm currently working in Keshav Malo and Associates. We are a group of young and bright chartered accountants who are supported by very experienced some partners. Let me tell you about my family. Uh, my father is working in one of the big company here in Udaipur. My mother is a housewife. I have an elder brother who is also married, and I am also married. And I am recently blessed by a baby daughter. Her name is Cheryl. I did my schooling from Central Academy, Udaipur. So it was a very good experience. For everybody, it is a very good experience of such a. Everybody remembers the schooling days now and then. So after completing my schooling, I was basically going for which career I had to pursue. So at that time, I thought like chartered accountancy course would be a very good course for me. So right after my school, I joined the CA course here in Udaipur itself. I did my whole studies and everything in Udaipur. I was I'm very blessed that I completed my chartered accountancy course in first attempt because of my, yes, I can say, my hard work. And after completing my course, I actually joined Vedanta Group. I worked there for 2 years. I was based out in Tuticorin, which is in Tamil Nadu, very far away from here. And I worked there for 2 years. And after that, like I thought, basically what I wanted to do was I had a very pretty good experience there in Tuticorin, working in such a big corporate, and like it was very good. Say I had a lot of good experiences over there, very good learning from there. There were many different people from whom I could say talk about to like how should I improve myself. And after my stint in Tuticorin in Vedanta Group, I thought I had to come back to Udaipur, go for my basic CA course which we study like taxation and everything. So I had a basic, I had a flair for such taxation work. So what I did was I joined here in a firm, CA firm, and I'm currently working here from 2017 when like GST was about to come. So GST is an indirect tax in India. So after joining here, so it is a very good experience, something which I always wanted to do. So I'm very happy right now, currently working in this firm. Now about some struggles in my life, like everybody has to go through some or other struggle in their life, and that's how we learn. So I can say that challenges are very necessary in our life. Say if there are no challenges, then we won't be experiencing many different things and we won't be learning from them. So challenges are there right from say start your schooling. At that time also there are challenges. Similarly for me, while I was studying, that time also we have to rise up early every day. We have to go through classes like 10-12 hours a day. Then we have to come back home. We have to study hard for say again 5-6 hours. So it was a very bit, I can say, challenging task for us. While doing my CA course also, it was very difficult. Like say we were studying for 18 hours, 19 hours. So that was very challenging for me. And then afterwards, when I joined, like I said, in Vedanta Group, I was working in Tuticorin. It is very far away from here. So a total different environment, total different climate you are going and working with. So, and all alone, that too. So it was quite challenging. And from there only we start to learn. And then coming over here, things work somewhat different. Like you have a home, you go every day, your family is there to support you. So it goes on and on. And like challenges, I must say that challenges are very necessary in everybody's life. If there are no challenges, you won't be able to learn and get experience from this life. Like about my idol, whom I look forward to every time. So everyone has some idol, like our fathers and all. One more thing I would like to quote is like there is an actor Matthew McConaughey whose Oscar-winning speech is very much famous. So I would recommend you to see that. There he told that who is your role model, whom do you look up to, like what do you want to become, like whom you want to become. So there he said like in every like I want to he said that he wanted to be himself after 10 years, like how he wished himself to be like after 10 years. So that is what I approach I also see, that my role model, I want to become a role model of whom I will be in next 10 years. So this is the approach which I am following right now. I want to learn. So after 10 years we'll again see. At that time I think I won't be able to match and I won't be satisfied. Again I look forward to like what I want to become in next 10 years. So this is how I'm approaching for being my idol. For youngsters who want to join such a course like CA, I would like to say that it is a very it is such a course which requires hard work. Yes, so hard work also for say 5 years, which is the minimum course duration. So there will be many a times situations like which has been happened and which is very obvious those things happen. Like you work very hard, like you are working very very hard, but you don't you know pass out into some or one or the other attempt. So this happens usually, but still the things which goes on is like you have to keep on trying and trying. So if you don't try, then it means that you are lagging something. And the thing is, if you have a flair for being a CA, for joining, if you have a flair, then you should try to join this course because it will require a lot of hard work. You may face some failures, like it usually happens that people, they don't pass in one or the other attempt. But the thing which keeps on going is if they have that flair, like yes, they want to become a CA, it is something which they want out of their life, they want to pursue into this career, they like it, they love it, then they should go and choose this course. Otherwise, if you have some other passion or some other thing, then it is better you complete that part first, you go pursue that passion, and it goes like this. uh, I always wanted to become a CA. Like if I go back and if I'm being said like I have to go back in time and choose again like what I want to be. So I'll always say that when I was in 11th and 12th, I pursued commerce as I chose commerce as my core subject. At that time, I had in mind like what I had to do. So at that time, I chose CA to be the thing which I have to pursue in my life. It was my the thing in which I wanted to make my career in. It was all because my father was working in a big company. So I had seen many CAs with him, many auditors from outside. So I liked them. I was very much inspired by them. So that is how I thought like I need to go into and pursue this course. See, the success mantra for our firm which we are currently working is very, very much, to the point. It is you have to be always updated. Like we have such a practice where there are many 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 changes, so each and every day we are facing many changes. Since a very small example, since when the GSTS came, there would be thousands of changes which have gone through. Each and every day we are looking to some or the other notifications, circulars or something. So looking to that, I would say that our success mantra is to be updated. And yes, from once we are updated and we are confident enough, yes, that we know the thing, we know the subject. So that's how we go and deliver our services to our clients. So to be updated is the thing. Earlier, when I was very small, we used to live with our grandparents. So there was our uncles also. So we were many small kids all growing up together. So this is what I think was one of the best thing. Like joint family, living in a joint family is a blessing. And after that, since my father was working with a company, so he had many transfers, so we had gone here and there, and like, it happened many a times. So one more thing, like I would say, my childhood memories was like everybody, they get some taste of their father and mother shouting at them and everything. And what happened with me generally, how my mother and father tell me every day, like many times when we remember, like whenever my elder brother was being shouted at and he was being told and was being made, you should do like this and this. So I was very, playing safe. I used to learn from that. Okay, he is doing that. If he does that, then he's getting the shouting from my father and mother. So I used to, be very aware of that. So that was very good thing which I enjoy right now also, and I do it right now also. So currently I'm a member of ICA since I'm practicing my CA course, and also along with that I'm also pursuing some other courses, like there are some pending courses of company secretary also which I was pursuing. So that is also at some final stage. Once it is done, I'll be a member of ICSI also. And then I'm also currently pursuing LLB. So that also helps if I have some change in that. And currently I'm also a member of Finance and Tax Committee at UCCA, which is a local body over here. So other than doing work, we love many things which we do. So for me, those things are like, yes, reading books. I also love gaming. So, and other things like traveling. I like traveling a lot. And even, my wife also likes traveling a lot. So that is a very good company for me. So thank you all for listening to me, for seeing me in this video. And if you are anyway inspired by my story, so please like and share my story on Hotmail. I want to dedicate a song to my little daughter, Cheryl. मेरे घर आई हो, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के रथ पे सवार, मेरे घर आई हो, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी. Thank you.